Hi friends, today we will discuss on some numerical. This is a RSC topic we derived previously on the basis of without evaporative cooling and with evaporative cooling. So now today we will be talking about a questions, simple questions. You read on the screen. A simple air cooled system is used for an aeroplane having a load of 9 tons, that means cooling load q equals to 9 tons given in that questions. The atmospheric pressure and temperature are zero point 0.9 bar and 10 degree centigrade respectively. You see here friends, this is a figure, temperature and entropy diagram. Here PA is given, that means atmospheric pressure is given as what, zero point 0.9 bar. Here you see PA, that means P1. You both cases see here PA, that means P1 equals to zero point 0.9 bar. You see here this is 1 atmospheric pressure, and temperature T1 equals to what, T1 equals to given as 10 degree Celsius, plus you convert it into Kelvin, then you add 273, it will become what, it will become 283 Kelvin. And PR, that means ramming pressure at the end of ramming, PR equals to given as 1.013 bar. And you see here this is P3 equals to P4, P3 equals to P4 we derived previously. You see it is given at 4 bar. And PC, Kelvin pressure, here Kelvin pressure is given as what, Kelvin pressure in, that means P5 equals to P6 is given as 1.01 bar. And T6 here Kelvin temperature is given at 25 degree Celsius, and if you convert it into Kelvin, then you add 273, then it will become what, so T6 will become 298 Kelvin. Then the question is, find out first power required to take the load of cooling in the cabin. First question we determine, and second one is COP of the system. We find out COP of the system, and it is assumed that all expansion and compression will isentropically, and the pressure of compressed air is 4 bar, it is given as here. So this is a figure, simple figure, temperature and entropy related. If you take out this, then it is the T1 temperature, and this is T2 temperature, here T4, and here T3. This is temperature, you see all the given requirements here. So we know friends, T2 divided by T1 equals to what, P2 divided by P1 raised to the power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Then what, P2 is given at what, 1.013 divided by P1 0.9, and gamma air of gamma equals to 1.4. The value of gamma for air is 1.4. So 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4. If you calculated it, then it will become what, 1.034. Then T2 equals to what, T1 multiplies 1.034, and T1 is given here 283. Then after multiplying you find out 292.6 Kelvin. T2 temperature you here find out, T2 temperature you find here. Then again we apply T3 divided by T2 equals to what, P3 divided by P2 gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. P3 what, P3 given as 4 divided by 1.013, 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4, after calculation you find out 1.48. And then T3 equals to what, T2 multiply 1.48, and T2 given here you find out 292.6, and after putting here calculations you find out what, 160 degrees, sorry, yes, 4 after calculation 433 Kelvin. If you calculated in find out in degree Celsius, then minus 273 you here and find out 160 degree Celsius. Then you notice friend, in the given question is given that in the heat exchanger, you see here it is heat exchanger. In the heat exchanger, the temperature of air is reduced by 55 degrees Celsius. Here temperature reduced by 55 degrees Celsius. That means T3 given here 160 degrees Celsius, and after in heat exchanger it will become what? Decreases 55 degrees Celsius. So what is T4? You find out T4 equals to what? 160 minus 55, and if you degree Celsius, and if you want to convert it in Kelvin, then you add 273 and it find out 378 Kelvin. T4 is given at 378 Kelvin, and we know T5 divided by T4 equals to what? P5 divided by P4, gamma minus 1 divided by gamma, and you put P5 equals to what? P5 1.01 divided by 4, 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4, calculated, you find out 0.675, and T5 equals to what? T4 multiplies 0.675, and T4 you find out here, putting, and after calculation you find out what? T5 255 Kelvin. T5 is here and T4 is here. So we need the mass of air, Ma, the mass of air required for refrigeration purpose. So Ma equals to, you formula, see my previous video, 14,000 Q divided by Cp T6 minus T5 kg per hour, kg per hour. So 14,000 and Q is given at 9 ton, and Cp is known 1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Cp is taken as 1, multiply. So here Ma equals to 14,000 Q divided by Cp T6 minus T5 kg per hour. You know Q is given that 14,000 multiply 9 divided by Cp is taken as 1, and T6 298 minus T5 255. After calculation you find out 2930.2 kilos kg per hour, and power required to take the load of cooling, that means cooling power equals to what? P equals to, you know, MACP multiply T3 minus T2 divided by 3600 kilowatt. So what MA you find out here? 2930.2 multiply Cp is taken as 1, and T3 equals to what? T3 equals to 433 minus 292.6 divided by 3600, and after you calculation you find out what? 1114.28 kilowatt. This is the power required to cooling load in the cabin. And you find out main your point is COP. What is COP? COP, you know, 14,000 Q divided by P multiply 3600, and 14,000 Q is given at 9, P you find out here 114.28 and 300. You find out COP equals to what? 0.306. This is your answer. First COP 0.306. This is COP, and power what? 114.28. So this is all about the questions. So thank you.